first thing you have to make sure is you have to lock the steering up there, and then once you remove this, there's a number 13 is a bolt which goes across this steering arm which comes from the steering. Then make sure you just lock it so it doesn't move, and then you open an E12 which holds the hoses holding together from the power steering, and which takes it back. You make sure you just open that, and then you open this is 18 millimeter volts. There are 4 of them, and they have nuts on top, so you have to make sure you have something to put on top to lock it. And then also you have to open the tie rod ends holding the tire, so that it doesn't mess up with that. So here we go. So what I'm gonna do is just open them up, and then I'll show you guys what happens next when it's out. Okay, while you're at it, make sure you have something to catch up the fluid, and also inspect the hoses. Make sure the seals are good so that you don't put it back and start leaking again. So it's a good time to change. If you have new seals, put it in there. Okay, just do just a proper inspection around this area to make sure that everything is okay. Just make sure that your car, just check under there and see if your tires are okay. Let's look at this tire, rack and pinion when it's out. You just inspect. There's some parts which when you buy the new one, they don't come with it, like this board up here, this connector. Just make sure that if you don't have it with the new one, you just have to just transfer it from this one. Okay, there's also the seals. Make sure that you buy new seals. If it doesn't come with the new rack and pinion, just buy them. There are supposed to be 4. There are 2 on this lower side, and then there are 2 on the other side. So like this, what you're seeing right here. So if they don't come with your rack and pinion, please buy them. Okay, it's good. I hope this video helps you guys. Please put thumbs up and then like and subscribe.